So this is the rectangle. A variable point x moves in the rectangle such that xp is less than equal to 4. So x is a variable point, so this is the point of the locus, and the locus from one fixed point, that is circle of radius 4 centimeter, and center P. Open the radius 4 centimeter and draw a circle of 4 centimeter radius. As the locus is inside, so there is no need to draw the circle outside of the rectangle. Point x will be on this blue line, which is part of the circle, and the distance of this blue line from this point P is 4 centimeter. And according to this condition, the x will be on this blue line, or it also will be inside the region, inside this arc region. Now the second condition, the distance of x from point P and the distance of x from point Q is equal. So first we have to handle equality first, and after that we will see how to handle this inequality. So it means that the distance of x from P and its distance from Q is equal, so it is perpendicular bisector of line PQ. So this is perpendicular of line PQ. Now according to this condition, the locus of x, in the locus of x, the distance of x is greater than distance of xq. The point x is moving in such a way its distance from Q is less than the distance from P. So it means that the point x will be in the region that is right side of the perpendicular bisector. The third condition is that the area of triangle PQX should be greater than equal to 3. So first we have to check the equality, and we say that the area of the triangle PQX is equal to 3 centimeter. And after that we will see how to identify that region in which the area of triangle PQX is greater than 3 and equal to 3. First we will use the information, whenever there is inequality, first we have to use equality. In that case, the area of the triangle PQX must be equal to 3 centimeter. In this triangle, the line PQ is the fixed line and this X is the moving point. So we will take this PQ as a base, and that PQ is 6 centimeter. Therefore, using the formula of area of the triangle, and the area is 3 and the base PQ is 6, now we will find what will be the height of this triangle. Simplification will give us the height of, after simplification, the height of the triangle will be 1 centimeter. So the locus of point X such that the area of triangle PQX is equal to 3 centimeter square will give us the height of the triangle H 1 centimeter. So we know that from the basic of the loci, when X is moving in such a way that the area of the triangle is a fixed, then it is a parallel line of distance equal to H, and the H is 1. So we will draw a parallel line of height of the distance 1 centimeter from the base PQ. So we have drawn these two curves that are 1 centimeter wide. Now we will draw a line touching the top of those curves. That will give us a parallel line. So this is the parallel line 3 centimeter from line PQ. And the point X, the locus point X is moving on this line as well. So if it is moving on this line, the area of the triangle PQX will remain 3 centimeter square. Now, according to this condition, the area of the triangle should be greater than or equal to 3 centimeter square. So this greater mean now that the point is moving on this parallel line, as well as it will be also moving, it may also be moving on the upside of this parallel line as well. Now we will combine all these three information again and study them again, and now we will see where this point exactly be, in which region it exactly be. So we have to construct and shade that region in which x must lie. So first, let's read this again. X will be 4 centimeter. It should be less than equal to 4 centimeter from point P. So it will be on this arc, which is a portion of the circle, or inside of this circle. So this is just by reading the first statement, the locus of the point X will be on this circle or inside the circle. Now the second condition says that the distance of X from P must be greater than the distance of X from Q, or in other words, distance of X from Q is less than or equal to distance of X from P. So as distance of X is less than Q, so if it is equal to Q, it is on this line. So it means less than Q, it is equal to P and Q, so it will be on this line as well. For less than, the distance of X is less, distance of X from Q is less than. So it means that the X will be on the right side of this perpendicular bisector. So by combining these two information, now it means that the point will be on this curve or inside of the curve, and it also will be on this line and also right side of this line. So the intersection area is this region, this one and this one. Now we have to read the third information, and then we have to finalize out of these two regions which will be the final region. According to the last information, that X will be moving in such a way that the area of the triangle PQX should be equal to 3 or greater than 3. And we know that if the area is equal to 3, the point X will be on this parallel line. And it must be also greater than 3, so the point will also be above this parallel line. So the final region out of these two will be this one. This is the final region. Therefore, this is the final region where X will lie. And the border of this region is also the part of the locus, because there was equal sign on all the inequalities. This is the final region of locus of point X.